but your presence matters. The heart of you matters, your very being, your breath, the sound you give, the voice that you carry, what's here on the inside. Do not stay in forgetting. Don't let what someone else says make you reconsider the value that you hold and carry. Remember who you are and what's on the inside, what you stand for, who you stand up for. Are you standing up for yourself? Are you meeting who you are on the inside and remaining with love and kindness for all that you give, even if it's just a breath? It matters. You matter. It's time for you to remember. It's time to see yourself again, to know yourself again, to feel into your remembrance and your truth. Can you meet yourself today and know that it's okay to be right where you are? Remember, you are already worthy, and you are already enough.